Hey, Snickers back. Really short one for a Sunday evening, Sunday night, okay? I had a little comment on one of my videos from a few days ago. Remember, I'm trying to do a video a day for a while. Keep everybody entertained, you know what I'm saying? Get some conversation going, you know what I'm saying? As we had the worms last night, didn't we? The worms come out of the can. Oh, yes, they did. Let's do another one, okay? So, on one of my other videos a few days ago, from the 3rd of September, if I scroll down, just curious, this is from Emil, I think it is, 8PL, so it might be from Poland. I don't know. Could be from anywhere. Just curious, why are you not using Adblocker on your browser, and why using Chrome? Good question. Well, I'll tell you why. The simple reason at school, we use Chrome and Google products, so that's Google Classroom, etc., etc. Yes, you can get them to run through Chromium, but the experience is just not the same, unfortunately. It's close, but not close enough, okay? So that's the reason I still run Chrome, because I use a lot of Google services for what I do, okay? So I don't have a problem with it. And a lot of people don't have a problem using Chrome. It does a lot of stuff that you want to do. Remember, I've been using Linux now full-time since, really full-time, no Windows machines in the house, since around about 2006, 2007. Something like that, anyway. Yeah, a long time. But yeah, now I've got all these services that I can use. I don't have to go to a Mac or a Microsoft machine. It makes it easier for me. So yeah, that's why I still use Chrome. Because I use all their services. And they're okay. It's all right for me. Secondly, ad blockers. Okay. This is one that's going to get you all discussing things. Remember, I'm not opening another can of worms tonight. I'm just keeping that one for tomorrow. I've got a second can of worms I've kept in storage for the next one. But basically, right, ad blockers. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you will get some money. Okay, might not be a lot of money, might be nothing really, but you're in the program. If you all block these ads, there'll be less money. Okay, now the big problem is all the money goes to these top lifestyle guys. Okay, I'm just going to say lifestyle. I've got other words I could use, but I'm not going to use them. Okay, they're just don't even go there. There's some good tech guys, but they are in it for the money at the end of the day, okay? They've got to their status and they're just going to coin it in. But the rest of us who are doing educational stuff, even in computing and tech, we see little of that money. If we stop using ads in the browser, it's going to be less and less and less money, okay? And things have got to change really soon. I don't know how we're going to do it, but it's got to change, okay? There needs to be more money coming down and less money going up, if you know what I'm saying. Got to be more coming down, less going up, okay? You know what I'm saying. You've seen the cars, you've seen the bikes. Yeah. Not hardcore, not funny, okay? And yeah, not good. But the reason why I don't use an ad blocker on my main system, it doesn't make no difference to me, okay? It's a high-spec, high-end machine. So it's not doing anything for me. And also, Google plays up if you don't put an ad blocker on it. But on my Pis, and I have quite a few Raspberry Pis, and single board computers, yes, I do run ad blockers, okay? You have to, otherwise it's just a terrible experience. Because you just get plummeted and plummeted. Sudo will tell you about this, because he's running a, he'll tell you at the end of the video. But he runs it as a thing, and stops all the ads for everybody. Okay, yeah, simple as that. But yeah, the whole thing about ads and ad blockers has got to be talked about, and this is why I've been doing this. Yeah, so as I said, another can of worms coming out soon, isn't it? And this is not really a new one. It's just a standard can of worms. But I'm not going to class this as a can of worms. But yeah, so for the person down here who said, why do I do that? That's why I do it. Simple as that. There will be another video tomorrow. I'll see you there. Maybe the can again. Sneaky Linux out. I'll see you later. Bye.